guys, what's up? Welcome to a healthy morning in my life, my healthy morning routine, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, I look like George Washington or something with my hair like that. Oh, that's even worse. Okay, let's just like not look at my hair right now. That's not a big deal. So I thought I would bring you on into my like Saturday morning healthy routine. This is something that I've been doing every weekend. I just want to brag on myself. Today will be day 16 of going to the gym. Somehow I still like actually am looking forward to it. I'm on like this health kick right now, and I thought I would just like bring you along to where I am. So basically it is 8 o'clock in the morning and I woke up at like 7 o'clock, and you want to know why? Because on a Friday night this 23-year-old went to bed at like 9:30 and it was awesome. No regrets. I watched the movie He's Just Not That Into You and I almost fell asleep. That was a really good movie. Somehow I've never seen that movie. 10 out of 10 recommend. But anyway, I watched that last night and I went to bed, and I'll tell you why I went to bed so early. It is because I've been like in love with these. So this is by Hum Beauty, and these are their Beauty Z supplements, and it has melatonin and B6, and I've talked about these in a ton of my videos on my Instagram. And I took these last night. I keep them by my bed, and I only take them when like I'm struggling to go to sleep, or when like I want that good night's rest, because a lot of the time I'll wake up in the morning or wake up in the middle of the night, and that kind of just makes you have the best night's sleep. And then while I'm talking about these, I wanted to go ahead and tell you about two others that I've been using on this from this brand. So the other one I've been using that I talk about in a lot of my vlogs is the Ripped Rooster. And so this helps burn fat, which is what I'm trying to do right now. So I'm on this health kick. I'm really trying to start 2020 right. And I take 2 of these a day. I take 1 in the morning and 1 at night. You take them with food or before a workout, and they are so good. So I have noticed like differences in my body. I have gotten a little bit more toned up because I've been going to Planet Fitness and also to Tyrell Boxing, and I've been eating healthy. So if you're doing those things and take those, it helps burn fat on top of building all that muscle. And the last one, you may have noticed, my skin has been so clear over the past few weeks, and I know it's because I've been drinking so much water, and I've been eating really healthy. I did have a cheat meal last night, which is why my face is kind of puffy and I regret it, but these are the Red Carpet supplements, and these are so good. So these help you have shiny hair and glowy skin, and you can see like I really do got that going on right now. And so it has black currant seed oil, gamma linolenic acid, and vitamin E. Y'all know I'm not good with words, but I do know that these work. And if you want to try them out, I'll link them down below, like all the information on how to get those. You can also purchase them in Sephora, which is really cool. This hair situation is just not a good one right now. But again, I thought I'd just bring you on in like a little healthy morning in my life. You bet me wondering why I'm filming at my little makeup desk. It's because like 3 of the lights are out in my living room and kitchen, and it's super gloomy outside. It's rainy. I didn't even know it was supposed to rain today, and so it was just really dark to do the intro. But yeah, so it's 8:12. I also have my Spark. I also have been getting questions about how you can get Spark. I will link the website down below. It's through Advocare. You can get like a sales rep to get you like a discount, but it's really not that big of a difference. But I'll see if I can find someone that sells it, so they can get money from it, because I don't get money from talking about this, but it's just so good. I get the Fruit Punch Spark, and it makes you have such good energy. And I also drink one of these of water. These are water bottles from Pink, and they are, I believe, 32 ounces. I don't know if that's right. I know one of these is a quart, so I know I try to drink 4 of these a day. So I always start my morning before my work, or during my workout, I'll drink one of these, and before my workout, I'll drink one of these, which is like half. Another thing I know I've showed y'all before, but I just wanted to mention, are these Brooks Ghost 12 shoes. They are like the perfect shoe. I call them my Disney World shoes, because whenever I go to Disney World again, I will definitely be wearing these, because they feel like walking on little clouds. You can see it's just so gloomy outside, and I don't like that. Also not gonna bring my camera to the gym, one, because I don't think that's allowed and I don't want to be weird, and two, basically what I do is 30 minutes of cardio and then 30 minutes of weights or like other random things in there, and I'll tell y'all whatever I end up doing when I get back, because I kind of change it up every day. Woo! Okay guys, I just got back from Planet Fitness and it's like 9:50 right now. It is flooding outside. Worked out for an hour and it was really good. I did 15 minutes on the treadmill, 15 minutes on the stair climber, and then I did 30 minutes of like machines and like ab stuff on the ground. Keep in mind, I'm not like a fitness influencer or whatever. I'm trying to follow fitness influencers to help get me right. So if you have, what are your favorite like fitness YouTubers? I love watching their videos. During that hour workout, I burned 515 calories, worked out for 60 minutes, and so pretty good, I guess. So now before I do anything else, I'm gonna take a shower because I smell so bad. I do not understand how girls, like I know so many people that will go days without washing their hair and go to the gym. Y'all, look at this. Dry shampoo will not fix that, and that's not rain, that is sweat. It's disgusting. So I don't know how people do that. That's really nice, but my hair, like especially in the back, it just gets soaking wet with sweat and smells. So I don't know, that's my personal issue, but my face is like all red and cherry tomatoey. Okay, so just got out of the shower. I'm in my comfy clothes and I get a lot of questions about my skincare routine and I have an entire video on it, but I will say I've been keeping it so simple lately. So this is the face wash that I use. I get this from Ulta. It's super duper good. And this is the moisturizer that I use, the Origins Ginseng Gel. I've been using this for years, and then also those red carpet hum supplements have just been a really good combo in keeping like clear skin. And then for hair, this stuff is amazing. It smells so good. It makes your hair like so full and voluminous, especially when I use this. This is a Hot Tools hairbrush dryer. This is like super popular right now. I got this from Ulta. It was on sale when I got it. And then this stuff I've raved about. You can find this on Amazon. I get this from a hair salon. But this is basically what I do when I get out of the shower. I'm not going to dry my hair right now. Also, I have been so into vanilla smelling candles, and this is Vanilla Bean from Bath & Body Works. So I just lit this while we make our breakfast so we can have some good vibes going. Okay, let's not pay attention to all this right now, but I'm about to show you before I make my breakfast. I have it all laid out already. I'm going to show you how to make a Starbucks medicine ball. It's the easiest thing ever. It's so good, and yeah, I'm not sick right now, but I've been getting these. Well, I was getting these a couple weeks ago from Starbucks, like when I was feeling kind of sick, and they're just so refreshing. They taste so good and they're so easy to make at home, and it tastes just like it. I'm not joking. So the first thing I do is, this is 32 ounces. I will fill up a water bottle worth of 16 ounces. So if you have like just a regular water bottle, just fill it up 16 ounces. So that's going to be about half of this. And this is going to make us 2 servings of lemonade. Then I'm going to fill about 8 ounces worth of water, again in a coffee mug, or you can brew water, is that the word, like on the stove. And so all you're gonna need is about 8 ounces. This is probably about 12 to 16, like, well, not 16, maybe, I don't know, in this cup, but you're only gonna use about half of this, or sometimes I use all of it. It just depends on what cup I use, but I'm just basically what I'm trying to say is fill up a coffee mug of water, and then I heat mine up in the microwave because it does the same thing. And let's see, let me clear it, and I do it for 4 minutes, and that typically is what gets it boiling. Now, while that is boiling, I'm gonna take a Crystal Light lemonade packet. If you want to, they sell it to where you can make like a bunch at a time, but this is only 10, this is 10 on the go packets, and I got this from Target. You can get this at a grocery store too, but they're only 10 calories per thing. So if you're drinking, you know, about half of this every time you drink it, you're only getting about 5 calories. Or if you even want to, you can cut this in half. It's super lemonade-y, but I just imagine that this is a lot healthier than whatever Starbucks uses, because, you know, like, I don't know. I don't know what kind of lemonade they use, but I imagine it's not 10 calories. So I'm just pouring this in here, and then we're gonna shake it up. Okay, shake, shake, shake. I have a 16-ounce Starbucks reusable cup. My friend Elena gave me this years ago for my birthday, and I still use it. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this halfway with the lemonade. Or sometimes I don't even do it halfway. You can do it like a third of the way. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So, sorry, it's like super light, but that's about, yeah, you can kind of see the reflection through it, but about a third of the way of lemonade. And then now we're at the key stage of how to actually make the tea. So this, you can buy them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. Or you can find them at Target. Certain Targets have them, certain Targets don't. I ended up finding them at, where did I get them? Kroger? No, I found this one at Kroger. I found both of them at Giant Eagle grocery store. They don't have that in the South, but try Target or Amazon, whichever you prefer. And so it's the Peach Tranquility Tea by Tivana. You can see like this is a Starbucks brand. I don't know if it'll focus, but yeah, it's Starbucks logo. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna do one of both of these. And then this is the Jade Citrus Mint. So this is an herbal tea and this is a green tea. This does have a little bit of caffeine in it and this has no caffeine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these in here before our boiling water comes out. I'm gonna try to record. Ignore how bad I am at this. Boom. Shabuya. See, you have like a little water left, so I don't know how many ounces. I guess this is like 12 ounces and it really does take 8. So you have like 8 ounces. Ooh, steam, hello. Now, this is where you can also make it a little bit healthier than Starbucks by not adding as much honey. I really don't know how much honey they use, but you're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. But while it's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and do, oh my gosh, did that really happen? So that's what I get for trying to film while making a hot drink. I was looking at the camera instead of the honey, but I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of this on top, about that much, and it'll like seep down and go into it. You can leave out the honey stage too if you want to. So I'm also very weak when it comes to hot drinks. I like to let it sit. Well, first of all, it does have to, like, you know, the tea has to brew, but I'm just gonna like kind of poke that down and kind of mix it all together. So we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. Y'all, this is so good. I'm so excited. And then I also have this much lemonade for next time. So this can be really like 2 more drinks. So while my drink's cooling down, we're gonna do breakfast. I don't know what's up with the lighting, but I'm basically just gonna spray this little pan with some nonstick vegetable spray. There's probably like healthier options. I don't really know. This is just to keep it from sticking. And then what I got from the grocery store, these little liquid egg whites, little things. They were out of all the big ones, so I could only get little ones. And normally at the beginning of the week I make egg cups, and I did that, but on the weekends I'll just do this. I don't even know how much this is. This is probably like 3 eggs worth of egg whites. I'll do a little bit more. Let me turn the stove on. That might be helpful. So basically what this is going to be like egg whites, but mainly like a spinach salad with egg whites because of how much spinach I put in it. And we're going to go ahead and put some pepper on there. I don't really put a lot of salt because everything that I put in it already like has sodium in it. This is some baby spinach. I'm gonna let these kind of cook up for a little bit and then put the spinach in because the spinach cooks really, really quickly. And then we have some turkey breast. So I normally also put onion, but I'm actually out of onion right now. Also forgot to mention, I have these blueberries I got last week. I love blueberries, they're like my favorite. And so I'll just kind of snack on these while I'm cooking. Another thing, since I have the Starbucks drink this morning, I probably won't drink this today, but this is celery juice, so typically I'll drink like half a bottle. So sad news, the turkey actually expired, and y'all know I cannot do expiration dates, so we're just gonna do spinach and egg whites this morning, which is totally cool. I just really love turkey, but I don't play the expiration date game. Okay, so I wasn't being dramatic when I said like a salad with egg whites. So I basically just pulled apart that spinach with my hands, like, you know, to make it a little bit more bite-sized. And Now I'm just gonna like let it heat up and kind of go down with all the eggs and stuff. It's hard to do stuff with one hand, but I'm trying. And so boom, this is the final product. Really good. And this is typically where I eat breakfast, or pretty much any meal. This is my little living room, and I will sit here. I'll sit on one of these pillows. The little buttons have kind of, or like the little knit areas have kind of come up. Yes, I also have laundry to fold today, but I'll typically just sit here, watch some TV, normally The Office. Okay guys, so this is our little breakfast vibes. I got my meal, moved my candle over here. Just tried this. It's amazing. Please try it and let me know if you do. And also, I do want to say I did not make up this recipe. I found it online. Well, I've seen it before online, but Emily and Gemma, you may probably know her. She is a super famous blogger. She did on her Instagram stories Instagram stories of her making it, and then I went and bought all this stuff. And I wanted to show you guys how to make it if you didn't see her thing. But yeah, and then I also have this big cup of water I'm gonna drink. Okay guys, so breakfast has been eaten. It's like 11:30 right now, and you can see I decided to try these little eye mask cucumber things from Sephora. It was in like a little gift bag that I got for Christmas. Right now I'm just chilling on my couch, still have my candle going, still have only drank a little bit of my tea. Y'all, I have to let that stuff cool all the way down. Also, it's later. It's now 12:30, so no longer morning. I just got off the phone with my mom. I'm gonna show you my situation. So since it's like a rainy day, what I'm gonna do, I have 4 of my pillows on my couch, my big quilt, and I took like everything else off the couch, and I'm just going to watch The Office, fold some clothes, and have a lazy Saturday. I have not done this in a really long time. But I'm gonna end the vlog here since it's no longer morning, but subscribe if you're interested in videos of all sorts. So I'll see y'all in my next video, and have a great day wherever you are, and stay blessed. Bye. Mwah.